Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to explain a Looker Studio dashboard in a simple way, the full step-by-step guide for 2026. This is perfect if you're presenting data to clients, teammates, or even beginners who don't have a data background. So yeah, let's keep it easy and clear. First, always start with the purpose of the dashboard. Before explaining charts, say what the dashboard is for. For example, is it tracking website traffic, sales performance, or marketing results? This helps people understand why the data matters before they look at numbers. Next, explain the time range. Point out the date range control at the top and say what period the data is showing, like last 7 days, last month, or year to date. This avoids confusion and sets the context right away. Now, move to the top summary metrics. These are usually scorecards that show key numbers like users, sessions, revenue, or conversions. Explain them in plain language. For example, instead of saying sessions, say how many visits the website received. Keep it simple. No technical jargon if you can avoid it. After that, explain charts one by one. Start with trend charts like line graphs and describe what's going up or down over time. Then move to bar charts or tables that show comparisons like top pages, channels, or products. Focus on the main insight, not every detail. Next, show how filters work. Explain that viewers can change dates, select countries, or choose traffic sources to see different views of the same data. This makes the dashboard interactive and more useful. While explaining, always connect numbers to actions. For example, say what a spike means or what a drop might indicate. People care more about decisions than raw data. Finally, wrap up with a quick summary. Highlight one or two key takeaways and what should be done next based on the dashboard. So yeah, that's how to explain a Looker Studio dashboard simply in 2026. Clear structure, simple language, and focused insights make any dashboard easy to understand. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.